Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the rich tradition of Greek coffee. You'll need finely ground Greek coffee, cold water, and a Briki, the traditional pot. Measure 60 milliliters, or about 2 ounces, of cold water for each serving and pour it into the Briki. Add 1 heaping teaspoon of Greek coffee per cup. If you like it sweet, add sugar now. 1 teaspoon for medium, 2 for sweet. Sugar is optional, so feel free to skip it if you prefer. Place the Briki on low heat. Stir the mixture until the coffee and sugar, if used, dissolve. Now stop stirring and let the coffee heat slowly. Keep an eye out for the foam, called kaimaki, rising to the top. Just before it boils over, remove the Briki from heat. Pour the coffee into your cup, letting the foam form a perfect top layer. Serve your Greek coffee with a glass of cold water and enjoy the unique, strong flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more with us at Tea and Coffee Explorers. Discover top coffee and tea tools in our affiliate links for special offers. See you next time.